This client is a natural hair color level 1. Each individual hair strand is fine and her density is medium. After applying the base color to the perimeter, I drop some foils in the fringe area for added hair color dimension. This is the completed hair color, still wet. Although direct dyes come pre-mixed, I like to add a little goodness to the mix. So we included some collagen as well as some bond builders to the direct hair color formula. Wet hair always appears 2 to 3 levels darker than it actually is. And this is her hair dried. No foam, no gel, no mousse, no silicones, no sulfates.